Hello everybody, my name is Narinderjit Kaur and I am working as a teacher. I hope you all are fine. Today, I have a mind to share some words with you. By the way, I often thought that we didn't need any religion to do good deeds. I believe in God and I accept that God has made all of us. We are His children and equal. But I thought that the disease called religion, which is afflicting to the mankind, was not a good thing actually. Because everyone says that only his religion is good and only it should exist, not another. Many great battles have been fought over religion and many innocent people have had to suffer. We all know that there is too much looting in the name of religion. On the one hand, priests are wasting people's money on huge buildings, and on the other hand, common people are dying because of poverty and starvation. The priests are living a royal life while common people are depressed because of unemployment and inflation. It seems that religion has become a curse for the majority. So, why should one believe in a religion which has no benefit? It is better to serve humanity, to work honestly, and live your life in peace rather than criticize someone's religion. So I started to practice one thing. I started to help needy people according to my capability. For example, in my home street, there were some poor children who were unable to afford their education. I started to teach them in the hall of a gurdwara. I tutored them in the evening with the help of others. I got them books, uniforms, and arranged their school fee. Once, after ending the class, the priest of the Gurdwara came to me and called me a religious girl. I replied, I don't know what it means to be religious. I just serve humanity because it makes me feel happy and peaceful. He grinned and said, it is the real religion. And he left. Now two ideas were running through my mind. The first was religion and the second was the real religion. So I thought to find the difference between them. The word religion is well known. The difference among the people from different religions becomes evident from the difference in their dresses, their ceremonies and rituals. To know about the real religion, I began to study my own religion, Sikhism. I read about Sikh history and our holy book, Shri Guru Granth Sahib. What I found surprised me. It was the basic principle of Sikhism, which says that humanity is the real religion. According to Sikhism, morality is the foundation of religion. Our 10 gurus have taught us about humility, honesty, patience, contentment, and service to humanity. They have told us Hak Paraya Nanka, Us Suwar, Us Gai, which suggests to earn honestly and not to deprive someone of their due. Kaal khai kich hathon de, to earn what you use and to share it. Hyaw na kehi thai, manik sab amolye. Not to hurt anyone. बोलिए सच धर्म झूठ ना बोलिए. Always speak the truth and abstain from lies. So क्यों मंदा आखे जित जम्मे राजा? Don't look down upon women of whom our royalty is born. एक पिता एकस के हम बाल. We all are the children of one God. सब में जोत जोत है सोए. Means God dwells within all of us. So it's all about humanity. Our religious leaders, our gurus, who loved God and His creation, have taught us humanity and morality. They have told us about service to humanity. And now I got that. The concept of service to humanity had come from Sikhism because Sikhism is the only religion which seeks the welfare of all and abstain from lies. Embraces the whole of world. So, it is all about humanity and it is one of the basic principles of Sikhism. That's why the followers of Sikhism are providing oxygen free of cost, while other people are profiteering during the pandemic of COVID-19 because Sikh gurus are their role models who had served humanity in epidemics in their time. For example, Guru Nanak used to visit lepers himself and treat them. Guru Arjan served the famine victims and smallpox patients in Lahore. Guru Har Rai Ji opened a free dispensary in Kirpur Sahib, and Guru Har Krishan Ji passed away in Delhi while serving the victims of a deadly disease. What a great legacy we have! What a great philosophy! So, why was I so far away from it? Just because no one had told me about the greatness of my religion. Oh my goodness! It means, although I was unaware of the meaning of religion, yet I was practicing religion all the time. But now I am aware, and I love the great philosophy of Sikhism, which has shown me the right path to live. Now I can say that, yes, I am a religious and a righteous girl. So, let us be truly religious so that we can create a better world. Thank you all for listening to me. Take care. Goodbye.